What are you doing, Walker?
Popping this wheel off. Because it has a flat tire.
Let's see here.
It's really hard to pop off. I need to pop that off. Pop that
So let's
off.
take off the other training wheel. And then if I lift this up, it should just slide right out. Okay?
No, it should slide out that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is too big. What size is this? 17?
What size wrench are you using?
16.
Good job.
I had to keep the other one with my foot.
It's really tight.
Oh my, it's just... Oh boy. Lincoln, can you hold this giant wheel?
Okay, can I take that training wheel off? Let's see if it comes out.
Oh, no.
Another bolt?
There's another one.
Or another nut?
Oh, mine.
Lincoln, you scoot back just a little bit. Thanks. All right, let's see if you can pull off the...
This one. Oh, the chain.
Oh, the chain. How can you get the chain off?
The chain. This is.
It's kind of loose.
No, it's really.
Come on, watch out, I don't want to pinch in these fingers.
It's really. It came right off.
All right, chain's off now. There we go.
That's what the time looks like.
You got it, Walker. I'll hold the bike.
Still really
There
good.
you go. Woohoo! Now, can you get the inner tube out of it?
See how easy this is to pop the rim off. Oh my. Get up there. Oh my. It ain't nowhere. Oh.
All right, grab the inner tube out. There we go. That's what we need to replace.
And this is the size.
All right, what size did you say it was?
I don't
16 by 2.
This one actually has a cap on it.
All right, Walker, what are you doing?
Putting the inner tube back in the bike tire. Because it was flat.
Why was it flat, Lincoln?
I don't remember.
I do.
What?
You poked it with a tack. Do you remember now?
I poked it with a tack.
Let's not do that again.
We're almost done, guys. Ooh. Done.
All right.
Now, gotta take the apple. Then Lincoln, can you hold the cap? Yeah. I need to put the rim in. And see how it does.
Did you find the hole for the valve stem? Yep.
Yep. This is too hard.
Do you think we need Dad's help?
I might need that help.
That's through. Can you pull that through? Just pull it through as much as you can. There we go. Okay, so that's going. Then we just gotta walk it around. Okay. Push it in. On that side, right at the bottom. Oh.
Oh! What's that?
Hold on.
Bottom.
Gotta walk it around. Okay.
I'm gonna put air in it.
Yep. Got the air pump.
Daddy, put air on this one first. See if this one has a leak.
Okay. You better not let it go all the way to 25.
Yeah, I would pop it. I'm gonna see. Yeah. Let's see if this one has a leak. I hear it.
It's a big leak.
Oh, that's a big.
Won't even take air.
Oh, yep, I found it. Look.
Oh my. Lincoln.
Found it.
There's the hole. All right, let's put air in the good one.
He's struggling a little bit. You need help, Dad.
I got it. Oops. Changed it.
That was not a quick.
For those-
Wash it.
Pretty tight.
Yep.
Okay, next.
Yep. And then finally wheel. So weird.
Go ahead.
Keep going. Finding a screwdriver. Now? Why not? Oh, winch. I mean, might be that the winch. Which one do you need? This is all the winches we have. Okay. Well, that's not all the winches we have. I have a couple more.